So if you are here from the previous video on how to enhance your audio quality, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, please. So now, this is the, will I say, the hardest part of the video. So you have to pay attention so that you won't lag behind. So now, this is where you put your audio into set so that it will match with the voice of your video. Remember, this is like putting an audio to a video so that it will match both by the movement of the mouth and the demonstration being made on that video. So now pay attention, and I'm going to show you this so that this video won't be long. I'm going to be showing you with a screen record. So if my screen record is not that bright, you can always tell me on the comment section so that I will use my other alternatives. So let's just dive in without wasting much of our time. Let's go.
Okay, welcome. So now let me just start from where we stopped. So please like, subscribe and share this video. Comment what you have observed so far in the comment section. Thanks. Let's just go. So now let's go to our band lab. We are going to start from where we stopped on the previous video. So let's go. So this is the project. So I saved the that one as audio. So we are going to go back to the studio because we have learnt on how to add our presets and also reduce background noise. So this is how you are going to save the video, the audio from your band lab. So now this is the video. So in case I made any changes, this is where, let me just say I reduced this clip. Let me just reduce a little bit so that the changes will appear. So I will press on this save icon so that I will save it. Now I have saved I have made some changes on it. So we are going to start from there. So now what we are going to do at this point is to add master. That is to remaster the audio if the one that you have is not that satisfying. So now what you do is you have to go back, then click on this project again where you will see your project, this place. You have to click it back. Wait, no, go to home, then click back on this place, then click on that audio you just edited, that audio you just added your presets. So once you click on it, then on this three dots you press it. You can see apply mastering. This is in case the preset that you added are not giving you that that much satisfying sounds. So now press on apply mastering, then you press on apply mastering. It will bring you to different audio masters, like the mastered. So this is universal, clarity, fire and tape. Then the last four here are for premium users. So if you didn't subscribe for premium users, you won't be able to use this. It is limited. So now normally I use clarity because it's only for audio. I'm not this is not a song that I just mastered. So now as you can hear,
Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you
the
can
more you are
enhance your
clicking,
audio quality.
listen, the more you are clicking on this mastered inputs, the more the voice changes. So it is now left for you to choose the one that is best suits you. So that's it. So this is it. This is for the adding of mastering. So after which you press apply, then you apply it to your audio. As you can see here, it is written mastered. It is written mastered. So now you download your audio. So you allow it to generate. So it has been saved to my file, as you can see. So now what you do is you go to your InShot. You go to your InShot. That original audio, that original video, that is what the audio, the video that you are working on, the original, or that is what you are going to select. So now I'm starting everything new. So now this is it. So let me look for that. Now this is the one. So this is the original. I don't know, each time I'm doing this tutorial my data always finishes. So this is the original. I have to mark it so that it will get me to the InShot YouTube studio, InShot studio, sorry, not YouTube studio. So now what I'm going to do, pay attention. This is the this is the most important part. If you don't get this part, all you have done are nothing. So pay attention to this very very part. So now you click on audio. Remember, we saved that the audio that we just edited with the BandLab. The name is we recorded the name as audio. So now what you are going to do is go to my music. At my music, you can see here audio. You can see audio. I have audio two. So this is audio one. So the audio, this first one is the one I'm going to use. Do you understand? So I have clicked on it. Now, now don't get confused. Don't get confused. Now, the video here and the audio I just imported are of the same length, you get. So your ability to make this audio to master with my voice, your voice movement and demonstration is the important thing here. If you don't get this thing, all your whole editings are they are not worth it. So now let's just play the audio to see if it matches the audio that I just imported here.
Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enhance your audio quality from this to this.
So now, as you can see, it seems like the video speaks before the audio. If you are doing it on your own, the audio will be like it has an echo sound. Lis ten very carefully to that echo sound. If the echo sounds matches, don't worry about the video. Don't worry about the video movement. Now, what you see, this is what you are going to do. You click on this, you click on the video, you click on it, then you reduce the original video volume. The original video volume, you reduce it. Once you reduce it, you come again and check.
Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enhance your audio quality from this to this.
You see, the thing matches. The thing really really matches. So now, where I want to remove for you to see that effect that showed on my first video. So my first video, when it started with a noisy background, now with an edited audio. So this is how I did it. Click on that video. So I will have to extract the original audio. I have to extract it out from the video. Once you press on this extract audio, it will extract it automatically. Now I have two audio on the video. Now the video now doesn't have any audio now because I have extracted the real audio out. Now it's now placed. So what I'm going to do is, now since I want to show you how I did, I changed from this to this. That is from a noisy audio to a well enhanced audio. So this is what I will do. Now I will have to click the first audio, which is the original audio. I have to click it and I have to split it. Lis ten lis ten. I have to split and make sure this line guides you very very well. Make sure this, if you get these things, you have gotten it all. So now I have to delete this one, the audio. I have to delete this one. I have to delete it, and this second one I will split it and delete the first one, as you can see. So now this is what I'm going to do.
Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enhance your audio quality from this to this.
You see the effects there. Have you seen the effects there? This audio has noisy and it has a noisy background, and this one has a well enhanced audio. All the audio are saying the same thing but different audio quality. So this is how I'm able to use that audio that we just edited on BandLab to place it here. So now as the thing plays on,
Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach
you will
you
see
how
the
you can
difference.
enhance your audio quality from this to this.
You see?
You can spot the difference.
Yes.
So in this video, I'm going to teach
So this is how to go about it. This is how to edit it. So if you have any confusing part, please don't forget to comment on the comment section. I will do a video to explain more further. And also my WhatsApp number is there on my YouTube channel. You can message me. I'm there for you. So this is how I did it. This is how I've been doing it. Meanwhile, on your own, you can even find out more presets on that preset settings on BandLab. You can see more presets that can even be more better than mine. I just showed you the hint. So it's now left for you to explore more so that you have a best the better quality, the better audio quality that you want on your videos. So now in my next video, I would like to see if you really do what you have just learnt here. So comment on it. So in my next video, I'll be showing you more ways in YouTube growth and also con ten t creating. Please comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Your comment and subscription gives me more morale, more energy you get to create more videos. Thank you, and if you have watched to this very point, thank you for sticking out. I really love you. See you in my next video. Thanks.